Alright guys, so I'm going to get your Apple Watch to announce the time. Now it's pretty simple, so first go to your app screen. So just press on the crown. And then you're going to go into your settings. Right here. And then scroll down some. And you're going to go into clock. And once again, scroll down some. Now, make sure that speak time is turned on. So if it's not, just turn it on. And let's go back to your clock screen. Now all you do for this is use two fingers.
11:11 a.m.
And just hold down.
11:11 a.m.
And hey guys, all there is to it. So hopefully this helped out.